The Dentist and the Crocodile by Roald Dahl. The crocodile, with cunning smile, sat in the dentist's chair. He said, "Right here and everywhere my teeth require repair." The dentist's face was turning white. He quivered, cracked and shook. He muttered, "I suppose I'm going to have to take a look." "I want you," Crocodile declared, "to do the back ones first. The molars at the very back are easily the worst." He opened wide his massive jaws. It was a fearsome sight. At least 300 pointed teeth, all sharp and shining white. The dentist kept himself well clear. He stood 2 yards away. He chose the longest probe. He had to search out the decay. "I said to do the back ones first," the crocodile called out. "You're much too far away, dear sir, to see what you're about. To do the back ones properly, you got to put your head deep down inside my great big mouth." The grinding crocky said. The poor old dentist wrung his hands and, weeping in despair, he cried, "No, no! I see them all extremely well from here." Just then in burst a lady, in her hands a golden chain. "Oh, Crook, you naughty boy! You're playing tricks again! Watch out!" The dentist shrieked and started climbing up the wall. "He's after me! He's after you! He's gonna eat us whole!" "Don't be a twit," the lady said and flashed a gorgeous smile. "He's harmless. He's my little pet, my lovely crocodile." Thank you.